Hello friends, so today I am telling you two very interesting rules about the letters C and S. These both letters make different sounds when used at different places. C, certain times it makes the sound of K and certain times it makes the sound of S. S makes the sound of Z at some places and makes the sound of S at some places. Let's understand the difference. Come. C, when it is used with I, E and Y, it makes the sound of S. Let's understand with certain examples. Circus, C is combined with I. Cereal, C is combined with E. Cycle, C is combined with Y. At all these three places, it is making the sound of S. Now let's understand when does it make the sound of K. Cake, captain, cobweb, practice, C is combined with T, practice. If I give you one word more here, that's patience, C. So even if C is accompanied with these three letters and is coming in the middle of the word or at the end of the word, it will make the sound of S. C, on the other hand, combined with other alphabet will make the sound of K. I hope this much is clear. The next magical letter that we are discussing today is S, sound of S. S makes the sound of S and it makes the sound of Z. There are two sounds that S makes. For example, we take paste. On the other hand, we take please. Paste, S. It's making the sound of S. Please. It's making the sound of Z. Let's understand the difference, why it is making different sounds with different usages. It makes the sound of S when it is not in between two vowels. One is vowel and one is consonant. It lies in between them. But if it lies between vowel and vowel, if there are two vowels accompanying S, then it makes the sound of Z. I hope this much is clear. So keep following my channel for more updates like these and more English videos.